Okay, kids, welcome back. Our filter is all dry on our picture, and it's time to peel it off if you haven't done that already. So just lift underneath your filter and peel it gently off. I've already done this, so I'm just going to pretend. Take it off, and that's going to reveal your print. Now you'll see the white streaks, and you'll see the crayon showing through with the white. That looks great. Maybe you did the glow too. I think that really looks awesome. What I did after I revealed it is I used a black pen, a Sharpie, and I just made a jiggly line around the landforms to sort of help those show up more clearly. And you can do that too if you want. I wanted to mention that I made a mistake when I was talking about the phenomenon that's going to occur. That is going to be Venus and Jupiter that are going to sit above the sickle moon and make it look like a smiley face. So that's May 16th if you want to check that out. Okay, so now we have our filter, and we're going to create our second piece of art, which is to use our fingerprints and turn those fingerprints into little creatures and things that live on planet Earth. So here's my finished example, and I'm going to just to let you know that what you'll do is you're going to put glue all over your coffee filter, especially around the edges. Got to hold it down while you do that because it's super light and flimsy. Glue that down, and then just glue it on top of your picture where you colored it and created that sort of faded print, and then your fingerprints are all around that. So go ahead and glue that on there. Smooth it down. You can add your black outlines if you so choose. And then I'm going to demonstrate a few ways you can create little characters out of your fingerprints. And I'm going to do that on a different piece of paper. I was inspired by the artist Ed Emberley. He has a lot of books out that you can get that demonstrate his artistic style and his illustrations, and he uses a lot of fingerprints to create really cute characters. So we're going to use Ed Emberley's style as our inspiration. And I also want to shout out to Nick Hahn, an art teacher that I follow, and she helped me out, gave me the inspiration for this Earth Day lesson. So let's see what we can come up with. We're just going to turn these into little animals, and that can be ocean animals or land animals, or they can be plants like little trees, because we're thinking of things that live on planet Earth. So we can make a couple of trees. We might want to turn some of them into flowers and other kinds of plants, and then we're going to also turn some of these into animals. So I'm going to think about ocean animals. So I'm going to make this into an octopus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. How about a little fish? A little tail. Maybe a dog. Let's see. Dog. Let's do a cat. Mouth. There we go. And maybe a little sheep. This little fluffy sheep. Maybe that's not a sheep. Maybe that's a cow. What do you think? And how about a deer? So those are just a couple things that you could think of. Oh, I have one more. Let's see. How about we'll make that into just a happy little person. jumping for joy. So maybe you can make those into some people too. So those are just a few ideas. So when you're finished, you'll have this awesome, beautiful poster. And you can also do your jiggly lines if I didn't mention that already. If you have any space on the sides, you could even include a slogan like Save the Earth or Happy Earth Day. Whatever you want, you can make it your own. So I hope you enjoyed making these 2 Earth Day art pieces. And I will see you next time. Take care.